guys, here it is, the Aquibear Purifier. Got it filled. Got it unlocked right now. So all I gotta do, hit unlock, and then select coffee for the hot tea. Choose your size by pressing that. Bam! Oh, it got a nice little blue LED light up there. That's really cool. Kind of shoots it in the water like the blue. Uh-oh. Oh, it's nice and warm. It's a really cool system they got right now. All I gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, and get it ordered right now. So like I said, I gotta do is hit this. You get 12 ounce max, and then hot coffee, unlock, and then there we go. Watch this. Oh wow, that's hot. Whoa, that's really cool. This is the cleanest water you'll get. For your teas, you could do the coffee, anything you need. There we go, just shut it off like that. Really cool digital display. See, now it's locked. And it's hot too, so be careful. And then, like I said, cleaning. Back here's the water. Fill up to the max. I gotta fill it up again. Clean it out a little bit. But it's really easy to do. Here's this little guy. And that's what it looks inside. So I'm gonna show you guys. 1 second, let me pause it. Alright guys, here it is. That's what it looks like when you take the container off. Just fill it to the max. I'm gonna rinse it off a little bit. And then I'll fill it to the max. So this is really cool. So I believe it's on Indiegogo. Just check them out. I have the links located down below. And it should be right there's good. All I gotta do, have some fun. Pop this in. There we go. Pop this over here. That should be good. Here we go. Then you can hear it starting up. And you can shut it like this. That's to shut it. And like I said, if you want your coffee, just press the heat right there, the coffee, normal. And then switch sides. 8 ounce, 12 ounce. So it'll take a minute or two to fill it up. Once it's filled up, good to go. As you've seen earlier, this will fill and shoot out there with the LED light. So really cool. Aquibear, check them out. Be safe. Have a good weekend.